Baka ikaw ay malungkot ko, tumawa ka. Bakit hindi tawanan mo ang iyong problema? Ganyan na, kaibigan. Tawanan mo ang iyong problema. Huwag mong isipin ng todo. Baka ikaw ay malungkot, tumawa ka. Bakit hindi tawanan mo ang iyong problema? Okay, that's a minute of the tawanan mo ang iyong problema. Here we go for another beautiful song dedicated to Juby Ballesteros ba yun? Okay. To Madam Juby Ballesteros. Here we go. Okay, for Madam Juby Ballesteros, fresh from Hawaii. Welcome back to the Philippines. Beautiful girl, wherever you are, take the words, take mom. I know when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again. After a long, long while in love again. You said hello, and I turned to go. But something in your eyes let my heart beat so. I just knew that I'd love again. After a long, long while in love again. It was destiny's game. When love finally came on my side, only to find that you were gone. Wherever you are, I fear that I might have lost you forever, like a song in the night. Now that I have loved again, after a long, long while in love with you. It was destiny's game. When love finally came on a passing night, only to find that you would come. Beautiful girl, I've searched for you till I have loveliness in my arms come true. You made me love again after a long, long while in love again. And I'm glad that it's you, beautiful girl. Okay, that's a beautiful girl. Once again, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Miss Judy Ballesteros of Awagan, Awag City. Welcome back to the Philippines. Fresh from Hawaii, USA. I would like to sing you my original song, para kay ka, Ma'am Judy. This is my original song, and it's a Ilocano song. It was being popularized by my good friend, Mr. Rudy Corpus, but luckily he's now in other side of the world. I don't know, in life, I should say. Here we go. This is an Ilocano song, my original song. Sa kinuman, di kaya nalagyan ko. Kaya ko kaya ka nga ipudno mo. Sikapan ang ngayon, harapan mo. Hindi ka nito mapunas, dito'y lagit ko. Oray pa naglabas, tuloy tawin. Ikarikin ka, lasika, sikarito lagi. Di ka masusuro, Judy, alipatin. Oh, ngay pa'y agsuplikan to, ijay balasin taaw. Hello, Ma'am Judy. Welcome back to the Philippines. Yeah. Thank you. Here's the Tagalog version. I think arin na namin ko kanta dito din dati Australia. Para kinibagit ko ngayon nanging dedicayon ko ka Rudy Corpus in record na alipatan ng insurance ginamit ko ang composer. Okay, here we go. Pero ngayon kami tawag namin communication meeting sa ano siguro na insurance ginamit ko as a composer, the original composer of this song. Saan ka man naroon sinta, ala-ala kita sa tuwinan. Ang pag-ibig ko, thank you very much, sir. Okay, also to Gary Bryna Apaga from Canada. Ando na kita kung kaputi aborto dito eh. Welcome back to the Philippines. MSMCD, Bahapo FMCD Management, we would like to greet everybody and wish everybody a happy drinkings. Okay, from Mr. Apado for Canada. Ang pag-ibig ko'y ay lagi laan sa'yo. Dahil sa'yo Juvie, masaya ang buhay ko. Ito pa na, diba? English version. Bear in mind that you are the only one that I have adored. Yes, and love. Thank you very much. Very much. Okay. Yes, it doesn't matter. Jerry Apaga. If we are apart, even you're in Canada, nothing will gonna change this love for you. Kulay pa naglabas ng totoo. Ikarikil ka Juvie nga sikat to laeng di ka masunsuro Juvie lipatin uray pa'y agsubli kantor itjay Hawaii. Di ka masursuro Mr. Apaga from Canada. Korek subli kanto itjay Canada. Okay. Apa itu taga Canada kada taga Hawaii abo. Welcome back to the Philippines. Awan kita taga New York kada San Francisco dito mo. Pagayo lang taga takay kada kita tayo. All right.